The following segment is sponsored by Springfield Clinic.
Joining us this Wellness Wednesday is Mary Sossaman, a certified registered nurse with the Springfield Clinic Cardiology. Today we're talking about heart health in the heat of the summer. Mary, when people are out there doing the strenuous stuff, mowing the lawn, gardening, and things like that, what kind of impact can that have on people's hearts, especially in this extreme heat?
Well, cardiac patients, usually if they're outside working in the heat, their blood pressure seems to drop sometimes, and that can cause people to pass out or get very syncopal episodes, and it's very strenuous on the heart, causing it to beat harder and faster, which can cause an electrolyte imbalance, which will make them possibly have cardiac arrhythmias.
Yeah, so some really serious, consequences to doing some extreme work in the heat. What are some of those basic tips that you can tell everyone that they can do when they're outside? You got to get that work done in the heat, but when you're outside, what are some of those tips you can actually use to take care of your heart?
Best thing to do is don't do it between 10 and 4 if you can help it, because that's the hottest part of the day. Wear loose-fitting clothes, hydrate.
Now, are there certain people who are more of a risk than others? Young, old, does it really matter, male versus female?
Well, it can be anybody, because heart disease comes at different ages of life. You could be 28 and have a heart problem, or you can be 95. So usually if you work strenuously outside with heart disease, if you've had heart attacks, high blood pressure, that is a risk factor for having an issue when you mow.
Now, say maybe one of our viewers is about to head outside today and get some work done. Before they go out, what's one thing they can do, an easy tip before you even start your work outside?
Call a buddy. If you are by yourself doing something, call them, tell them when you're going to start mowing and when you get done, so they don't worry about you.
That's a great tip. Have that buddy in place. Mary, before we let you go here, if anyone wants more information on maybe getting an appointment to check on their heart health or meeting with someone at the Springfield Clinic to get some of these helpful tips and tricks, where can they find all that information?
Call Springfield Clinic Cardiology and ask to get a cardiologist. Usually you have to go through your primary care physician first, especially that helps get things covered better. And then if you are mowing and doing stuff and you get dizzy, you are lightheaded, you start having nausea, make sure you call the doctor.
Well, that's all great information, Mary. We appreciate the time this morning. Thanks for joining us here on this Wellness Wednesday.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and be sure to watch more videos from Fox, Illinois.